What's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Just gonna give a quick update on the Genesis build. Not much of an update from last time though. It's been 2 weeks since the last video that I posted. Whenever I dropped it off at the machine shop, and at the time he told me it would be after New Year's before he could look at it, and then he would give me a call when he does get the chance to. Still haven't got a call from him yet. The parts that I ordered from Hyundai that were on back order, they still haven't came in yet. So then go lay down. Sit. 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 Hard-headed ass. So that's where we're at right now. We're waiting on those parts and waiting on the machine shop still. And then after that, all I'll need is my clutch and be ready to throw it back together and get it done. But if any of you do follow me on Instagram, some of you might have noticed I bought something new. You might remember one of the last videos, I had a Nissan 240 in here that was a long way off. I came across this 98 Firebird formula on Craigslist one day. That was a roller that was listed at a very good price, practically a steal. I could have put that money into the Genesis, but I couldn't pass this deal up. So I got the Nissan 240 out of here and picked it up. So I guess I can give you all a quick little walk around of it real quick. Spent the whole day yesterday cleaning out shop so I could fit this in. Look at him. He's pretty. So it's a one owner car. Has 220,000 miles on the body. It's got its little flaws here and there. Crack in the tail light. There's a dent right here, about the size of open palm. This front fender is a little banged up, but he gave me a new one with it, already painted, ready to put on. And this interior, dude, the interior is flawless. Let's see if I can get this to focus. In 1 second, I'll get a light. Inside. Almost flawless. It's got a few spots here and there, but it's all tiny shit. The only rip in the whole interior is this sun visor. It's the only thing. He obviously pulled that out to get the computer, but I mean, none of this is real dirtied up or faded. It's missing that vent, but back seats look good. It's just, it was well taken care of for sure. He claims 0% tint is what he had on it, and I believe it. Alright guys, sorry about that. My video got cut short because I ran out of space. I just filmed these on my phone as for right now. So that's pretty much it. I'll keep y'all updated. I guess I'm going to start vlogging on this one too whenever I start building it. So appreciate you watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.